Welcome to Aromatic Bangladeshi Kitchen. I'm Parveen Chowdhury. Today I have my friend Ruby. She's also from Bangladesh and Rajshahi. She's gonna cook one of the dish today and show how to cook this and how we cook it in Bangladesh. And then I will cook one of the dish. So first I'm gonna do my cooking. Ruby, thank you for coming to my show.
You're most welcome.
So today I'm going to cook. It's called pulaw, but it's Afghan style pulaw I'm going to cook.
Okay.
So, but Afghan people use like meat in there, but I'm not going to use meat, just vegetable. So it's because you're cooking chicken, so
Yeah.
it will be easy to eat with the plain one. So I'm going to introduce you to the spice, what I'm going to use. First, you need a rice. So I have like 3 cups of rice here. Then you need some raisin, some shred carrot, and then sugar, salt, and this one is like food color you can use, and then nuts. If you have allergy to nuts, you don't need to use it, but you can. I kept it for garnish it, so I'm gonna use it for garnish. And then you need cinnamon, bay leaf, cardamom, and butter. Also you can use ghee, but today I don't have much ghee. I couldn't find my ghee, so you can use butter. And I'm going to use some oil also. This is just canola oil. Okay, so I'm going to use that. Now I had my stove on like in dim, so I'm gonna put a little high. So now I will put in water. Of course you need to water to boil it. My butter already got melted. So I'll use the half of the butter first. You can use ghee also for this. That's give you a good aroma if you use ghee. And with the butter, I like to use little bit of oil so it doesn't get burned. Because when you just cook butter, it's get burned. So I use little bit of oil. Okay. Also, I'm gonna put little high because that way it cooks. In Bangladesh, we use ghee.
Ghee, always.
Always
People
ghee.
like ghee.
Yeah, but here butter almost like kind of tastes like ghee. And then I'm gonna put my bay leaf. You want to put the bay leaf and the cinnamon on the first, so you get the aroma. So I'll just do that. This cinnamon stick, whatever you want to put it in, how much, I'm not cooking so much, so that's good. And cardamom, I'm gonna use not too many, like couple, 2 or 3. So this is gonna give you very good, see, you can feel the aroma. Then the Afghan, and you want to use little bit of salt. Actually, let me use the sugar first, because you want the sugar to be like give you little color. So you're gonna put the sugar first, and then the salt. Salt is little bit, not much. Okay. I want to wait till the sugar gets like brown, because that's why the Afghan rice comes like
it's brown.
Brownish, kind of. So it's coming brownish, the sugar. So now brown now. Now I can put the rice in it. Okay, but you don't want to cook too. I already washed the rice. Just don't want them to get too. And then now you want to just fry the rice till it's get really dry, because that way the rice comes really like separate from each other. This is the best part when you're cooking the pulaw. You make sure you fry the rice for a little bit, so that way it comes not too sticky, it comes separate. And I can just use you have to put lot of cranberry. For the Afghan rice, they use a lot of cranberry. So I have 1 cup of cranberry in here. See how the rice is brown? You just have to fry the rice a lot till it's get like not sticky anymore. Like, see how it's little bit of a sticky. Now I can put some water. Now we'll be done cooking. So always when I put the rice, I'll tell you how much I know the water I'm putting in. I think always you want to put like up to here, just up to here, so it comes the rice perfectly. So I'm gonna just measure it now, and if you need it, you can add it a little bit later. but I think that's good enough.
Yeah, perfect.
So that's good. Now the rice will cook. In meantime, I'm gonna move my stuff from this side, and then you can start cooking from here. You always want to cover in the beginning so the rice can boil. So I'm gonna cover it. While I'm covering, then I'm gonna start cleaning up here so you can do your stuff. Yeah.
So you need.
I cook for maybe 2 minutes. I just want to make sure how it looks. So see how it's boiling. You just want to make sure when you are cooking, now you want to put it really low because otherwise it's going to burn. So I'm putting it really low, and then you want to see how much water it's there. And I'll just do this, mix it, and then I will put the carrot I have. So this is also 1 cup of carrot. It's going to give you a nice color. And then now you just have to, you don't have to do anything. Sometimes I put like little bit of milk there. If you want, you can do it, but I didn't bring my milk today. So I'll just leave it like this, and then it's gonna be like cooking for like, you'll feel it when the rice is done. It's not done yet. I might need little bit of water. I'm gonna put little bit of, not much, because you don't want to put too much water because it's gonna get like soggy. So now it's done. I'm going to move it in this stove. You are cooking chicken. Is it something special in Bangladesh?
Yeah, it's very famous. Chicken korma. So a lot of people like this. Actually, kids always like
Love
this chicken
because
korma.
they don't like
not too much spicy. That's why. So
so you have like around 5 or 6 pieces of chicken.
Yeah, 6 pieces of chicken.
Then you have onions.
Yeah,
you just
1 cup onions.
One like a big onions.
Big onions.
And then it's salt.
Salt.
This is
it's coriander powder.
Coriander, okay.
Ginger.
So ginger paste, and then you said you had some raisin paste.
Yeah, raisin paste.
I never use raisin paste, but this is the first time I heard, because I always use the whole raisin. Can you use the whole raisin, or no, you need a paste?
I need a paste.
You need a paste, okay. And then you have
garlic, ghee,
and then
cumin powder, green chili,
and then
and
this is
for
just
the decoration,
that's for the garnish.
the baby tomato,
and then oil.
Oil.
Okay, so you can start.
Okay, so at first I use oil.
Is there like any measurement or like?
Yeah, almost 1 cup oil I used here.
And you can use any type of oil, like
like regular
olive oil or no?
No,
just canola and then vegetable oil like that.
Always I used Magella.
Oh, okay, Magella.
Yeah, Magella oil.
Okay.
And
do you want me to put your stove up a little bit?
Yeah, it's medium.
Okay, I put it on 8. So now you have to wait till the oils to be heat up, right?
Yeah.
You can.
Yeah, when I feel heat.
It's coming. It's coming.
It's coming. So now I used is
the
1 cup onions.
Okay. So it's like the white onion. You can use red onions too if you want.
Yeah, you can use any type of onion, but I always use white onion. I like it.
Should I put little up?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm scared of this stove because sometimes when I put it high, it gets like really. So you just have to cook the onions. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you use onion paste too or no?
No.
Because it's gonna get too soggy, right?
Yes.
So I taste this chicken in her house. It's really good. So that's why I asked, can you show for my viewers? And she said yes. I was so happy.
Okay, thank you.
Now I'm gonna get this secret recipe out, so all of us can cook. Everybody cooks different way. Everybody has different taste of their own way cooking. You know, a lot of people like my fish is. Everybody loves my fish and my beef, and sometimes I like other people's like the way they cook chicken. So it's different. People has different taste. You trying to make it like brown?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm waiting for brown color.
Oh, okay. That's why the color comes like really brown, right?
Yeah.
So you're taking it out, Dani?
Yeah.
Oh.
So before I have 1 cup, and now I have half cup oil.
So you took it out, half
Yeah.
of it. After you frying the onion, you took the half of the cup
Yeah.
oil. Okay.
And now,
Is that garlic paste?
yeah,
Okay.
is half spoon garlic paste
Okay. It's so
and half spoon ginger.
That's the raisin paste.
Yeah, it's raisin paste is 2 spoon. Half spoon cumin.
Okay.
1 spoon coriander powder.
We also gonna put the recipe on the with the video.
And I add little bit of water. And
The salt.
yeah, this salt is almost 1 spoon.
Should I put little up?
Yeah,
Now when you're gonna put the chicken?
yeah. After 1 minute, I add chicken.
Oh, okay. So you want the onion and garlic smell to
Yeah.
go away.
Now I add chicken.
So just cook it on the sauce, the chicken. You want to add more spicy or
Yeah, just now I wanna eat. Sorry.
more
Now-
raisin? Is it a raisin?
No,
paste?
no.
Oh,
This
the
is
ghee. The ghee.
So I
that's gonna give
so now
the,
I wanna add
the ghee.
1 spoon ghee.
Okay.
It's very easy and simple recipe.
I know. But it's I didn't see you put any chili paper or anything, so it's
Yeah.
good. The kids will
Yeah.
like. So when the kid doesn't like spice, this is good.
I add this.
Yeah, but that's like you can leave it raw. Nobody will. Do you want to put a cover on it or no?
Yeah, I
Should
need.
I make it lower little? Or?
No, now I need high one.
Okay, so it get
Yeah.
dry. So now because she's put like really high heat, so the water can comes out from the chicken, right? It's a different style of cooking. She's from Rajshahi, Bangladesh, but it's in Rajshahi. This is how they cook, but in different cities people cook, right? Different
Yeah,
way.
different
Like
way.
we are from Chittagong, we cook different way. We put like a lot of yogurt on it. So yogurt, and then we put the raw raisin. So it's taste also different, right?
Yeah.
Everybody's taste also is different. The sauce is the main thing here.
It's actually from my garden.
Yes, she also did a lot of vegetable this year. We went to her garden. It's beautiful. I got some.
Also the baby
Yeah,
tomato from my
the
garden.
cherry tomato is also from her garden.
They're like spicy or no?
I don't think so. Don't look like spicy, but don't put any more because if Mark and they will eat, they're gonna say, "Pervin, you put too much rice."
Okay.
No, leave it. You can leave that. It just also looks good for garnishing, right? You can put it on the top, but
So now I add
the
the onion.
okay. I really like the way she cooked today because I cook totally different way chicken korma. So this is a different way too because she did not use no yogurt, nothing. So it's really
Nothing.
good. Less spice, but a
So-
lot of taste, right?
Now I add almost 1 cup water.
Okay. Now you want the cover, right?
Yeah.
All right. So it just so now how long? Maybe 2-3 minutes. 2 minutes.
No, almost 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Meantime, let me see how my rice is looking. Put some. So if you have it ghee at home, after you're done, you just put it on the top, and then you cover it for like another 2-3 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Will be more. I leave the rice also and let the chicken cook. We're gonna start cleaning up. Then we'll be right back in like 3 more minutes.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, so we are back. The rice was in there for at least 5 to 6 minutes. You know how long it takes to cook rice. And then she already almost finished her chicken. So one thing I am going to do on my rice, I'll just put a little bit of food color just to make it looks good,
Yeah.
right? A little bit. So just so 1 or 2 going to be like nice color. And also I put little ghee, so I will leave it there, and then I will decorate with the nuts. But I'm gonna wait till the color gets into the rice for a little bit, so maybe a couple minutes. But you want to check your chicken?
Yeah.
See how it looks.
Check it.
So in meantime, you said you add some sugar on it, right?
Yeah.
Because she put a little bit of sugar on it on the meantime. Do you want to make it high to get it a little more dry, right?
Mm-hmm.
Its colors look so good. Do you want to leave it on for a little bit to get a little drier? Or?
Yeah.
So it's little watery. She thinks need to be get little dry. So while it's done, I'm gonna show how to. I'll just take the rice out. Also, when you're taking it out, you want to use something like this. You don't want to use the spoon because that's gonna cut the rice out.
Okay. Wow, look delicious, and the smell is
Good, right?
Yum.
So good. Sometimes people use put inside some chicken or goat meat for this type of rice, but I cooked as a polaw, so this is good. And I'm gonna put a little bit of nuts just to decorate it. The nuts is if you want it, if you don't like, a lot of people have nuts allergy, but this is almond. I did not use you can use any type of nuts. Oh, that looks so good. Ruby's chicken korma is done, and my Afghani pulao is done. Thank you for watching Aromatic Bangladeshi Kitchen, and thank you Acton TV for recording my show. Ruby, thank you so much for coming to my show.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.